Data centers are at the core of this growth. To support the advanced information society, large-scale power consumption and CO2 emissions are increasing. Cooling performance has become an issue for improving data center efficiency. The breakthrough is the Immersion Cooling data center. A shift from air-cooled to immersion-cooled servers. We have expanded this innovation from the size of a container to large data centers. A system consisting of immersion cooling equipment, CDUs, and free cooling is being tested for installation at existing facilities. This technology dramatically improves the cooling efficiency, saves energy, and is quieter, reducing approximately 35 decibels of the noise level from air-cooled systems. The Phase 3 demonstration test has shown the advantages the technology has realized. Advantages such as ease of control, ease of diverting general IT equipment, high availability